What's up, you guys? We made it to N1 Racing Equipment. Yes, this is Anand's garage and we're all set to fit up that diffuser on mine as well as Paji's car. Paji, you want to say hello to everybody?
Hello.
So let's get on with this shit. So this is the stock diffuser and as you can see, it's pretty bland and tame. There's nothing major happening rather. Very simple. No kind of pronunciation that's going on with it. If you take a look at the car out here, now this car, check out this car out here. Now this one has a little bit of a blacked out finish. He's done a little bit of a wrap on it. It still doesn't look good enough, does it? So that's exactly why we decided to fit up this Maxton diffuser on the car. Your Dil is on the 997. Let's quickly take a look at the 997 right here.
Dimag is on that M5.
But he has a Dimag on the M5. Let's take a look at the M5, which is hidden right in there. El Purple, that's what the color is. There's a Champiano gold BBS wheels right down there. So would this be considered as the Valhalla of the BMW dynasty, Paji? Would you call it the Valhalla? You call it the Valhalla, right?
Valhalla.
Fantastic. We got the GTR at the back. We've got the N1 boys doing their thing out here. The Skoda Superb up there, the legendary Superb. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We quickly take a look at the carbon design right here on this Future Design spoiler here. So you can see the weave of this natural, finely designed carbon piece by Future Design. Now what we're going to do with the diffuser, alright, let me just be really honest. So we've actually gone ahead and hydro dipped the diffuser. Carbon dipped, so to say. Just to give it a really good jazzy look because we could not get our hands on the Future Design diffuser for some reason. But it still looks good. Alright. So we do get certain things that are more entertaining than cars. For instance, Paji's Instagram account and the people he follows. Anyway, the 997 is just simply classic. The way I see it. Again with the BBS wheels. So I'm right here with Anand and Anand has approved the design of the hydro dipping that we did on the diffuser. As he said that the lacquer and the finishing both are really good. So the Salim has now started taking off the bolts. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. And then we have a couple for these exhaust surrounds to be removed. And then we just got to tug on it and get the diffuser out. Now with the M Performance. And then we have the second exhaust surrounds out. So now they're going to just simply tug on this side. The boys, Paj looking on as well. It's the dust that actually makes it that difficult to remove. This is our old diffusers. You can clearly see the thickness and how thin this is right out here. So we're getting the sealant. We're about to marry the diffuser to the car now. So let's take a look. Got to slide into those holes. ये actually बहुत सही लग रहा है यार. इसके साथ में जा रहा है ना? हाँ. Salim quickly cleaning the exhaust surrounds right here.